This is Ate Chichi's car. It's like memories before. And the baby is sleeping.
Yeah, let's have a look. Yeah. Sure. Let's have a look. So you are looking at upgrading to a new house? Yeah.
Lock mo. Is it locked? Let's go inside. Where's the key?
The window's open.
No. It's okay. So it doesn't, Okay. Chichi, what's your new car?
It's right there.
Yes, sir. Did you have the photo? Sold. Awesome. Dito tayo dadan. Bawal dyan. But it's their room. It's their office.
Good?
Like that's an employee's access.
Go.
Yes, it is. Okay na, si Adela?
Right then. Alright. You happy at it? What's his name? What's her name? His or him?
Ayan na, lagay mo sa loob ng car mo. Oo.
Sit na.
Alis na kami?
Okay. We'll buy lunch.
Okay. Okay, bye.
Just wanted to check your YouTube channel, pick up his phone. I just want to make sure you've done everything on his video before you know.
Kaya na. Ako muna?
The F's on there.
We can remove it.
No. Don't.
Nice. Ate, you happy?
Yeah.
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Mommy.
Yeah, thanks, mommy.
Huh?
Thanks, mommy.
Kiss, Mommy.
Go down ka naman.
Done.
Wag nga kasi! Ang ngipin, ang laki na oh. Ang haba ng ngipin. Hindi nga mamaya pagtulog mo na yan eh. Pagtulog mo na yan. Pagtulog mo na yan mamaya na yan. Pagtulog ka na. Nataas na. Sige, mahuhulog ka dyan. Kilikili. Kilikili. Bawal yung kilikili. Sa maasar, oh. Akin to. Sige, oh. Sige, oh. Ito na lang, mami, ito na lang register, huwag niya sa akin.